Hi everybody, Haley here of Discourse of a Divine Diva, and I am back with my next Dia & Co box. I haven't opened it at all. I have no idea what's in it. I can't wait to get to it. Hi, so we're about to get into the box. I haven't opened it at all. I'm very excited to see what is in it. So I'm still looking for really easy travel pieces, knit pieces, layering pieces for my vacation next month, which is the main reason why I started getting Dia & Co boxes, because I really want to try them and try new to me brands, but I'm really looking for specific pieces, and that is what I'm asking Dia & Co for at this moment in time. So if you've seen my first couple of videos for Dia & Co, I will link them down below. The first one was kind of off. Last one was more my style, but again, lots of pieces that weren't really right for my trip, I guess I should say. So when I did my whole feedback thing, because once you get your stuff, you can leave feedback for every single piece. You can give your stylist as much information as you possibly can about what you liked, what you didn't like, what you're looking for. And so I went through the Dia & Co catalog. I favorited a lot of things that I really liked. And then I sent my stylist a message about the things that I wanted to see. And I really specified like this t-shirt in this color and this shirt in this print. And so I was really, really specific. And hopefully that gave some more insight to my stylist. So we're gonna open this box, and just so you know, it's really like not open. I'm about to open it, and we're just gonna get, be careful here, right into it. I'm really excited. All right, so when you get your Dia & Co box, you get a return envelope where you send all the things that you don't want to keep, and you get this little folder. I'm sure we go over this every time, but just in case you're new to Dia & Co, I want you to have all the information you possibly can. So you get a list of the products that are actually in the box, and then a note from your stylist. So this is, "Hi Haley, I'm sorry your last Dia box wasn't what you expected. I hope this box is filled with pieces you'll want to add to your wardrobe. I took a look through your pins, and I'm thrilled to be sending you a box full of styles that I think you will love. Let's start with the Jessica Simpson skinny jeans. Wear them on a casual day with the Karlie tee and add a light layer with the Beldini cardigan for a day full of travel. Unfortunately, I could not find the ghillie tee you requested. Well, that's a bummer. But I did find a fun cold shoulder tee to wear. All right. Rock the Michael studio dress with a pair of wedges and a floppy hat." I don't think I own a floppy hat. "I love reading your feedback and learning more about your style. You can also show me more of your style by pinning any looks you love to your profile." So, yeah, maybe I'll start doing a little more pinning and such. That might help, especially if I see any kind of specific things that I'm looking for my trip. I am still in like berserko planning mode, so I haven't even really got to the packing part yet. I packed all my toiletries, so that's good. All right, so again, I'm just going to open the box, show you what I got, and then when I try it on, we're going to talk about specifics, brand names, prices, and all of that jazz. All right, I'm ripping into this bad boy here. Ooh, I see color. All right, so this first thing is not colorful. Ooh, but it does have a cute print. So this is an off-the-shoulder top with this really pretty and colorful elephant. I like that. I mean, this is definitely my style. I love cold shoulder tops. I love t-shirts like this. I like it. And I like the cut of it. It looks more A-line. And I do love Mr. Colorful Elephant here. Excited about that one. All right, next, this is the colorfulness I saw. Look at this. So, let's see. What is it? It is, oh, it's a cardigan. Okay. All right, so it's like a kimono type situation. I freaking love those colors, and specifically, oh my gosh. Okay. You guys. So I'm going to go to Liverpool and see Westlife in concert. I don't know if you know who Westlife is. A lot of people in the US don't. Westlife is an Irish boy band. They broke up like 7 years ago. They got back together and I get to go see them. I've loved them for like 20 years. I'm so excited. Anyway, their tour is really colorful, so I've been trying to put together some colorful stuff to wear. This might be perfect, so we'll see. Okay, I'm just really excited about it. All right, next we have, oh, this is a cute, like, kind of baby doll dress, sort of. It looks a little big for me just looking at it, but I really love this print. I love these colors. I'm not always crazy about like flared sleeves. I'm looking in my mirror just in case you're like, what the hell are you looking at? I do love an Empire waist. I always want to say Empire, but it's Empire. Sometimes, you know, those can fit the belly weird, but I'm definitely closer to my style. I think Rachel is getting me. All right, what do we got here? This looks like a t-shirt. Oh yeah, this is one of the t-shirts I requested, actually. So cool. I really wanted to try it. It's got kind of elbow length sleeves, which I love. It's this gorgeous dark purple color that I think will go really well with my hair because I'm gonna do my purple hair again. And it has these little crisscross features. It is a thinner knit than I was anticipating. It gets kind of see-through, but again, really lightweight. Would be great for travel, and I wear a cami under everything essentially, so I'm really excited to try it. I specifically requested this shirt, so thank you, Rachel. And here are the Jessica Simpson skinny jeans. I don't think I've ever actually tried anything from Jessica Simpson's brand, but I can tell you the last thing I need is skinny jeans. I have a lot of jeans, but I'm still going to try them on because I love trying new brands. So that's my box. I am super excited to get into this, and I'm going to try everything on and tell you all about it. All right, so these are the first two items. These are the Jessica Simpson Naomi rolled skinny jean in a dark wash in size 24. They are $69.50. So they actually fit really well. There's the booty. They do fit really well. They're really comfortable, and they're a softer denim. Sometimes with softer denim, it kind of stretches out. So I'm always unsure about that because I wouldn't want them to stretch out really fast, but they do fit really well. They fit in the waist really well. They fit me better than the skinny jeans I tried on from the Dia & Co brands like Molly and Isadora, and there was another one from the first box. So those were more like square in the waist and hip area, so they didn't fit my waist well enough. These fit really well. I really like them, and if I needed skinny jeans, I just might get them because they're really stretchy and really comfortable. The pocket's a little short, but you know, what are you gonna do? I really like these. So this top is the one I requested. It is the Molly and Isadora Karlie Lattice tee in the dark purple. It is a 3X. It's $32. It doesn't fit the way I wanted it to. I love the crisscross feature. I love the longer sleeves. Those are things that like an open neckline and longer sleeves are always things that I look for in t-shirts, and it's really hard to find. However, and I feel like it fits my bust well, but because of the gathering, it keeps gathering up here. I'm going to come in a little closer so you can kind of see that. It just keeps settling up here, which I don't like. I love this color. The fabric is actually really comfortable. It doesn't really look see-through on. I love the crisscross stuff. I don't know if I can size up. I don't know what sizes they have, because I think most of their stuff goes up to a 4X or 5X, so I can ask my stylist if they have it in a larger size that I could try. But I thought it was cut a little more A-line, which is how it looked in the photo. and that would have been great for my tummy. It clings a little more than I am okay with. Let me show you the back. So it's just a little small through here for me. I can see if a size up would fit, and if they can send that to me, that'd be super cool. Otherwise, I really like this t-shirt, and it's definitely something, if it fit correctly, I'd totally buy it. Anyway, I really like these jeans. They fit really well, and the t-shirt has potential. Okay, this shirt is Jessica Simpson. It is called the Louisa top. It is a 3X, and it's $39. Okay, so it is a nice, smooth knit fabric. It's very comfortable. Again, I love the little elephant. He's very pretty. I love all his colors. I like the basic silhouette of the top. But here's my issue. It's a little more fitted than I would want. It's that tummy. I like when they're cut a little more A-line. It's shorter than I would be comfortable with. I wish it was like, I don't know, maybe 1.5 inches longer. Just a little bit longer. I still think it hits in a nice place, but I'm not used to shirts quite this short, like just a little bit longer. I love the open neckline. And then, okay, so the sleeve is just like a big old hole. It's basically just a round hole. And that's weird. It looks weird to me. I like flutter sleeves, and this just feels like it wants to be a flutter sleeve, but it wasn't given enough material to be a flutter sleeve. I do have larger upper arms, so maybe it's supposed to be a flutter sleeve, but on me it's just not. But the way the hole is done, it just looks weird. So I like the idea of it. I just don't think it fits me correctly. But it is my style, if that makes sense. All right, so yeah, on to the next thing. Okay, we are back with the Baldini Christina 3/4 sleeve cardigan. It is yellow and royal blue, supposedly. This is like a navy stripe. It's a 3X, and it's $59. So this fabric is more of like a rayon spandex. It's not a sweater cardigan, and it's obviously a kimono. So I don't hate the length, but I wish it was shorter. I wish it was a little bit shorter on me. I love the colors, and I love the idea of it. Once I get it on, I feel like there's way too much yellow for me, and like lime green. The yellow does not look good on me. I don't think anyway. It's just not my color. And also, I don't mind the larger sleeves, but it is actually too big for me. Like, I would need to size down. The seam is over here on my arm, and it needs to be over here. So that's a good 2.5, 3 inches. So it just feels oversized in a way that I don't like. It doesn't look bad. I think it looks like it's supposed to look, essentially, like overall. But it's not quite what I wanted it to be, which is a huge bummer, because I do love the color, and I do need like a cute overpiece for the tank top that I'm wearing to the concert. It's just not quite right for me. But I feel like my stylist is doing a better job at finding things that are more me and my style, because I do love the idea of this. It's just not quite right for me. I would be willing to try a size down, but I can see if they have like some different, see if it was just a little, that looks better. Maybe some different colors going on, a little less yellow, but anyway, it's cute. I just feel like it's not quite right. All right, the last item is the maybe Michelle. There's one E. Michael's Studio Concord Ampere Waist Dress. This is a size 22, and it is $75. Okay. So I feel like it's definitely overpriced based on the fabric. All right. So it's definitely more my style. I feel like my stylist did a really great job at finding pieces that are my style. So that's awesome because I knew it would take about 3 boxes for her to kind of get me. And I was right. So that part is awesome. However, and I love this print. I love the way it fits. I love an ampere waist. It's a little shorter than my comfort zone, but I really like it. And 8th grade me would have killed someone for a dress like this. Okay, so the problem is, and it looks like it fits great, you guys. It looks great. The problem is this fabric has no stretch. So it is really tight on my upper arms. I can go about like this. That's about how far I can do it. It's super tight, but I do like the way this looks. I like it shorter. I don't like the sleeves with the bell stuff down here. I do like this. Love a V-neck, love the open neckline. Again, love the print, love the colors. The other weird thing is that there is a polyester lining, but it only goes to here. It's like a little baby crop top lining, and that's weird to me. It does not, it's not down here, it stops here. And I think that's really odd. Especially for a $75 dress, that thing better be lined all the way, especially with this really lightweight kind of rayon fabric. That's how it feels to me. So again, it's super cute. It's just not fitting me correctly. So yeah, that's a bummer, but I will say A+ to my stylist, Rachel. She's getting me, and I'm really excited to try more pieces and encourage her along these lines. So yeah, was there anything that you loved? Was there anything that you want to try on? What would you keep? And let me know. All right, in closing, everything in this box would have been $274.50. The styling fee, which is $20 that you pay every month, that's deducted from the price of whatever you buy, including the full price of everything. If I were to buy everything in the box, then I get an additional 25% off of that, which would make everything in the box $185. Which, I mean, that's probably kind of decent considering all the different things. However, I'm not going to keep any of this stuff because it doesn't quite fit me correctly, except those jeans, but I don't need the jeans. So again, I'm really excited that Rachel, my stylist, is getting me, and I was really excited about all these pieces. They just weren't quite right, and that's not her fault. So again, I'm excited to get future boxes, and I feel like we're moving in the right direction. And I don't know, it was fun. I'm excited. I liked a lot of the things. I'm going to ask for some different sizes because I did like the t-shirt and the kimono, even though the colors were, but I would like to try a different size. And that's it. So this is probably my last box before my vacation, but I will continue to get Dia & Co. once I come back throughout the summer and all of that. So I'm looking forward to trying more brands that I've never tried before, and seeing what else Rachel can find for me. That's totally me. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.